what are ads and what is PPC, like on a basic level for anyone who's listening up there?
Yeah, so pay-per-click is the way that advertisers and companies, so like Facebook, Instagram, obviously the same ones from Meta, and Google, now Bing as well, have moved into a space where they can ask you to pay in order for you to appear somewhere, wherever that might be. So there is quite a lot of things that go on, and like there's a lot of differences between different platforms, but the principle is pretty much the same across them all, which is that you're paying for visibility, you're giving them a budget, and whatever you do with that budget, that's what they will give to you.